Hey everyone, this is my Westinghouse R2020 Riviera Aire fan. This is Westinghouse's interpretation of the Vornado fan, and it is quite a little unit. This thing packs a big punch for a small 8 or 9-inch fan. So what we're going to do in this video is give you a quick look around this fan and then give you a running demonstration of it. So with that, we will show you the detail shots of this unit. And we'll get right to the demonstration now, and we will start this fan off on high speed. Bring it down to low speed. And we'll bring it back up to high. And we'll shut the fan off to watch it coast. And so with that, we will conclude this video. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing this old fan get put through its paces. If you did, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like as well, because we will have more to come. And so with that, we will see you later.